The good news with this construction type, we look and say, yes, we can see the studs, but they're fuzzy. That means there's not a direct, that same kind of directness of transfer. It means we're not seeing the tremendous temperature difference. We do have enough temperature difference between inside and outside today to at least do this. We're at about 15 degrees right now, which is what we need as a minimum for an infrared camera of this quality. So we do have enough to say, I can see some heat transfer, or I can see where the surface temperature, more accurately, is lower, and that is indicative to me of heat transfer because I can see the lines of the studs. But thank goodness it's not like a standard home would be, where I see that really crisp and boy, I can see that heat transfer coming through. What does that really mean? Well, this combination of not having as many air leaks and not having as much direct transfer of that heat out of the house, that means the money that was put into this house to heat the home will actually stay in the home. When you heat the air stays warm and it doesn't go outside right away. That's a good thing for comfort, for control. How about if you heat the surfaces of the building? So the heating systems come on and the walls get warm and the couch get warmed and all the surfaces in here. Well, if we've got these direct paths to communicate out, the surfaces cool down faster. That's going to lead to less comfort inside the building. So these are very good signs that we're seeing. We're seeing holes where we expected to. No accidental mystery holes yet. And the lines on the walls, in other words, we can see the studs just barely, and that's exactly what we would hope we'd find with a house with this kind of design.